What if we told you that one of Hollywood's most beloved actresses is now facing an entirely new kind of legal battle, not with a co-star, not with a studio, but with a YouTuber? That's right, in a stunning twist, a rising content creator has just filed for a protective order against Blake Lively, alleging intimidation tactics and behind-the-scenes pressure that has shocked fans and critics alike. What's going on here, and why is one of the internet's sharpest voices standing up to a Hollywood powerhouse? It's a story you won't hear on mainstream news, but it's one that's rapidly taking over online spaces, sparking deep questions about power, privacy, and the ever-blurring line between celebrity and criticism in the digital age. The YouTuber claims they've been targeted for simply doing what millions of others do every day, talking about what's happening in Hollywood. Their commentary videos about Blake's legal controversies apparently caught more attention than expected, and according to their legal filing, that attention wasn't just from viewers, but from people who wanted them silenced. Now, in an unexpected move that's shaking up both the entertainment and creator communities, this YouTuber has gone to court not just to protect themselves, but to send a clear message. Independent voices matter, and they won't be silenced. But this isn't just another case of internet drama. If their claims hold up, it could mark a major shift in how celebrities and content creators interact, especially when legal teams are involved. Could this be the beginning of a massive movement where creators push back against celebrity control? Or is it a misunderstanding taken too far? In this video, we break down everything you need to know, from the court filing to what this means for YouTube commentary to the ripple effects this could have across Hollywood. We'll look at the timeline, the motives, and what Blake Lively's next move could be. Whether you're Team Blake or rooting for the creator, you'll want to stick around, because this story is just getting started in a twist that has left Hollywood watchers stunned. Blake Lively's legal woes appear to be growing more complicated. A prominent YouTuber, previously quiet in the shadows of the controversy, has stepped into the spotlight, filing a formal request for a protective order against the star. The claims are deeply concerning and allege that intimidation tactics have been used to silence or deter commentary on an ongoing situation involving the actress and her legal team. The YouTuber, whose name is being kept confidential for legal reasons, claims to have been subjected to repeated pressure, subtle threats, and legal overreach, all tied to their coverage of Blake's recent controversies. While some fans believe this could just be the result of legal misunderstandings, others are concerned that the actress's approach to online content creators may be crossing the line. This new development adds yet another layer to what's already a complicated public image battle. The court filing suggests that the YouTuber fears further targeting, alleging that their videos were met with unexpected legal notices, unusual online activity around their accounts, and even anonymous warnings. These accusations haven't been confirmed in court yet, but the move to request a protective order signals that this content creator is not backing down. Could Blake Lively now be facing a new kind of opponent, one who isn't part of the industry, but part of the online commentary world? Let's take a closer look at what's really happening. To understand the current situation, we need to rewind a bit. Blake Lively has been at the center of a growing legal storm in recent months. While she's widely admired for her roles in films like The Age of Adeline and A Simple Favor, off-screen things seem to be spiraling in a different direction. Multiple YouTubers and content creators have voiced concern over how Lively's team has allegedly responded to videos that include criticism or commentary. Some creators reported receiving cease and desist letters, DMCA takedown requests, or even vague legal threats that seemed intended to discourage discussion, even when their videos complied with fair use laws. The YouTuber, who has now filed for the protective order, had posted a series of videos discussing the broader controversy, using publicly available information and offering commentary. According to their legal filings, it wasn't long after these videos went viral that things began to escalate. What began as online criticism reportedly shifted into something more personal and unsettling. While Blake Lively hasn't publicly addressed this specific situation, her legal representatives have consistently maintained that their actions are focused on protecting her privacy and reputation, a right every public figure holds. However, this recent move by a YouTuber to seek court protection introduces new questions about where the line is between protection and intimidation. The content creator argues that their First Amendment rights are being threatened, and in today's media landscape where influencers and online commentators hold increasing power, this type of legal battle could set major precedents. As the entertainment industry continues to adapt to the influence of social media and independent creators, the dynamics between celebrities and critics are clearly shifting. YouTubers are no longer just hobbyists, they're powerful voices with millions of subscribers, and their platforms can rival mainstream news in influence. In this case, the YouTuber's move to request a protective order isn't just about their personal safety or peace of mind. It represents a bold stand against what they describe as legal harassment. The court documents reportedly include messages, screenshots, and other forms of communication that the creator claims support their fear of continued targeting. Many online viewers are rallying behind the YouTuber, praising them for having the courage to speak up. The message is clear: even big names can't simply silence criticism by using legal means that might be perceived as excessive. In fact, this pushback might mark the start of a broader shift, one where public figures are held more accountable for how they engage with criticism, especially in the digital space. Still, not everyone is convinced. Some supporters of Lively argue that she's merely trying to defend herself in an era where misinformation and online bullying can get out of control. They caution that YouTubers have power too, and that with that power comes responsibility. But as this legal drama unfolds, the growing tension between Hollywood stars and online creators is becoming impossible to ignore. If courts begin siding with YouTubers who feel intimidated by celebrity legal teams, it could reshape how criticism and commentary are handled across platforms. Behind closed doors, many insiders in the entertainment industry are watching this situation very closely. The idea that a YouTuber, not a co-star journalist or rival celebrity, is now seeking legal protection from one of Hollywood's brightest stars is more than just unusual. It could change how PR, reputation management, and celebrity litigation are handled in the years to come. Reports suggest that other creators who've commented on the Blake Lively situation are now feeling anxious. Some have gone as far as to remove content, while others have posted cryptic updates, indicating they might be rethinking how they cover sensitive celebrity cases. Meanwhile, legal experts are weighing in, stating that if the protective order is granted, it could open the door for more content creators to push back in similar ways. The courts may soon be asked to define what constitutes intimidation in the digital age, especially when both parties have large followings and real-world influence. The larger question looms: is the entertainment world prepared for a future where YouTubers can challenge a list celebrities in court? Because that future might already be here. In the case of Blake Lively, her silence so far on this specific YouTuber's filing speaks volumes. Whether she chooses to respond or let her legal team handle it quietly, the narrative is out, and public perception matters. Will the public side with the creator standing up for their rights, or will they see this as a misunderstanding fueled by online drama? As we await the court's response to the protective order request, one thing is certain: this battle isn't just about one YouTuber and one celebrity. It's about the broader conversation around freedom of speech, digital influence, and the limits of power in modern media. If the YouTuber's claims are found to have merit, we could see more creators empowered to defend themselves legally when they feel intimidated or silenced. On the other hand, if the court finds no grounds for the order, it may signal that current celebrity legal strategies are well within accepted bounds. Either way, this moment is critical for Blake Lively, whose brand has long been associated with elegance and quiet dignity. This legal chapter may be one of her most defining off-screen roles yet. How she and her team handle the outcome will shape not just public opinion, but potentially future legal norms. For the YouTuber involved, the stakes are deeply personal. Beyond the views, likes, or platform growth, this is about standing up for what they believe is right, even when the odds seem stacked. In a world where content is king and voices online carry just as much weight as those on the red carpet, this clash may be remembered not for who wins, but for how the landscape shifts because of it. Stay tuned as more updates unfold. One thing's for sure: the tension between fame and freedom of speech just got a lot more real.